Crowd and crisis management. Comprehensive training for maritime professionals on effective crowd management, swift crisis response, and ensuring paramount passenger safety during vessel operations. Course overview. Comprehensive program. Trains participants in effective crowd and crisis management for public safety. Target audience. This course is ideal for professionals responsible for public safety and crowd control, and for anyone looking to strengthen their crisis management skills. Accreditations. Conducted for offshore industry in accordance with STCW V/2, IMO Model 1.41. Key modules: Crowd and crisis management. Strategic importance of effective management. Explore the critical role of structured crowd and crisis management in mitigating risks and preserving life at sea. Vessel-specific emergency protocols. Delve into the precise, mandated procedures and protocols for officers and crew during various onboard emergencies. Efficient assembly and muster execution. Master the techniques for safely and swiftly guiding passengers to designated muster stations, ensuring calm and order. Compassionate passenger support during crises. Develop essential skills for providing direct, empathetic assistance and maintaining passenger well-being amidst emergency situations. Core competencies. Emergency response control. Command authority, clear communication, and decisive action under pressure. Resource optimization. Maximize life-saving equipment, crew assignments, and time-critical decisions. Passenger safety and security. Accounting for all persons on board, mobility needs, language barriers, panic. Vessel safety and access control. Cargo integrity, restricted zones, and preventing unauthorized movement. Crowd control in crisis. De-escalation, directing passenger flow, and maintaining order during evacuation. Course curriculum. Importance of crowd and crisis management. Emergency procedures on a vessel. Assembly and muster procedures during an emergency. Procedure for rendering assistance to passengers. Importance of controlling emergency response. Optimization of available resources. Understanding various aspects of passenger safety and security. Understanding various aspects of vessel safety, cargo security and access control. Controlling passengers during a crisis.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.